Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enter the pairing mode on your EONO earphones. So to do this, first of all you have to be sure that your device is turned off, and next you have to click and hold this middle button until this indicator right here starts blinking blue and red quickly. It's not visible right now, but when you click and hold this button, just take a look on this volume up button. Right now it's blinking, and also we can find our device on the Bluetooth list. I think that right now we can see that little indicator that is blinking right here. So just select them from the list, and after that you will be simply connected with your device. And yeah, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.